Hello, welcome to SOTA. My name is Leslie Punt.
And I'm Russ Torlage.
Together, we're the founders of SOTA Instruments. We created this video to help you quickly learn how to use the BioTuner and how to easily incorporate it into your life.
Well, let's get started. The BioTuner supports the body-mind connection by offering harmonic frequencies that create an inner sense of calm, balance, and tranquility. We also have an economy version of the BioTuner that we call the BioTuner Lite. Remember to read the product manual, or better yet, go to the SOTA website to read the most current version. You will need the ear clips with rubber electrodes, the BioTuner cord, and optionally, the armband with clip. First, place the 9-volt battery in the unit. Next, clean your earlobes to remove any skin oils. If using the armband with clip, place it on your upper arm or your forearm, whichever is more comfortable for you. Attach the ear clips to the metal pins on the end of the BioTuner cord. Plug the BioTuner cord into the unit. Moisten the rubber electrodes in the ear clips with some water and place one ear clip on an earlobe with the rubber electrode to the back of the earlobe as close to the jaw as possible. Repeat with the other ear clip. Turn the BioTuner on and gently increase the intensity to a comfortable level. You should feel a slight buzzing sensation. The green light will come on in mode 1. You can change modes by pressing the mode button. Slip the unit onto the armband with clip or in your pocket. The BioTuner has 6 different modes or comfort settings for you to experiment and discover which works best for you. Modes 1, 2, and 3 are stronger, and modes 4, 5, and 6 are gentler. Modes 3 and 6 have the addition of the 7.83 Hz Schumann earth frequency. All of the modes have the same key frequencies. The BioTuner has a built-in 20-minute timer. After 20 minutes, the unit goes into sleep mode. The output stops, but there is still a drain on the battery. Turn the unit off. If you want to do another 20-minute cycle, you can turn the unit back on and choose your mode. When starting with the BioTuner, we suggest one 20-minute cycle per day for the first 3 to 4 days. You can then increase to 2 20-minute cycles per day. If deeper relaxation is desired, increase gradually up to 6 or more cycles daily. Use the BioTuner for a minimum of 30 days for best results. The relaxation benefits build the longer you use it. The BioTuner can be used anytime, while working, out walking the dog, or before bed. Some use it while meditating. Many people report feeling relaxed when using the BioTuner, so prefer to use it in the evening. We suggest keeping it out where you can see it, maybe on the bedside table. Others prefer using it during the day, while at work or school, while making dinner, or the first thing in the morning. In this case, the kitchen counter or your desk might be a good place to keep it. Setting an alarm on your phone to remind you is a great idea.
We hope this video helps you get started with the BioTuner.
Remember, consistency is the key. Placing your BioTuner where you can see it will help to remind you to use it. And thank you for watching.